Welcome to Healthy Habits, your go-to channel for all things related to health and wellness. In today's video, we're going to explore the connection between blood pressure and hibiscus tea. We'll delve into the details of hibiscus tea benefits and its nutritional content. And most importantly, answer the question, can hibiscus tea help reduce both systolic and diastolic blood pressure? Let's find out.
Welcome to Healthy Habits, where we delve into the heart of health and wellness. Today's focus is on a vibrant crimson delight, hibiscus tea, and its intriguing link to blood pressure management. Imagine a natural remedy steeped in tradition, now catching the eye of modern science for its potential health benefits.
Hibiscus tea is a tart and refreshing beverage made from the dried flowers of the hibiscus plant. It has been enjoyed for centuries in many cultures around the world for its potential health benefits.
Hibiscus tea, known for its tart flavor, not only refreshes, but also holds secrets to better health, particularly in managing blood pressure.
One of the most promising benefits of hibiscus tea is its ability to lower blood pressure. Several studies have shown that hibiscus tea can significantly reduce both systolic and diastolic blood pressure in people with mild to moderate hypertension.
Recent studies have cast a spotlight on this herbal brew. Research published in the Journal of Nutrition in 2010 discovered that hibiscus tea could significantly lower systolic blood pressure in individuals with pre-hypertension or mild hypertension. Fast forward to 2015, and another study in the Journal of Hypertension observed a notable reduction in both systolic and diastolic blood pressure among adults consuming this ruby infusion.
Studies suggest hibiscus tea consumption can lower systolic and diastolic blood pressure in people with mild to moderate hypertension. This effect is likely due to its content of anthocyanins, antioxidants that may help relax blood vessels. For example, a review of 5 studies found that hibiscus tea decreased systolic and diastolic blood pressure by an average of 7.58 mmHg and 3.53 mmHg respectively. While this may seem like a small change, it can be enough to make a significant difference in heart health. It is important to note that hibiscus tea should not be considered a replacement for medications for high blood pressure. However, it may be a helpful complementary therapy for people who are looking for natural ways to lower their blood pressure. If you are considering trying hibiscus tea for high blood pressure, it is important to talk to your doctor first. Hibiscus tea can interact with some medications, so it is important to make sure it is safe for you to drink.
But how does hibiscus tea achieve these effects? While the full mechanism remains under exploration, it's believed the tea's high antioxidant content and its ability to enhance endothelial function play crucial roles. These factors help regulate blood flow and, consequently, blood pressure. Diving deeper into the benefits, hibiscus tea is a powerhouse of antioxidants, including flavonoids and anthocyanins. These substances not only combat free radicals, but also may reduce the risk of chronic diseases, supporting overall health. The heart also finds a friend in hibiscus tea, which can lower levels of LDL cholesterol and triglycerides, key players in cardiovascular disease. Moreover, for those managing their weight, hibiscus tea might offer an assist by inhibiting amylase production, reducing carbohydrate absorption. On the topic of liver health, studies suggest this herbal tea may reduce liver damage and combat fatty liver, thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties that help soothe internal inflammations. What's in a cup of hibiscus tea? It's naturally low in calories and caffeine-free, making it a gentle yet potent beverage.
The potential benefits. Amount needed. Research suggests 2 to 3 cups of hibiscus tea daily might be beneficial, but long-term effects need further study. In my experience, if you have high blood pressure, making hibiscus tea at night and allowing it to cool overnight can be beneficial. Drink it in the morning on an empty stomach. Then, for the second batch, make hot hibiscus tea early in the morning and let it steep for several hours. You can drink it in the evening, just like the tea prepared the night before. To maximize its benefits, drink it at least twice a day like this, consistently for 2 to 3 weeks. With regular intake, you may observe positive results. If you prefer, you can quickly cool it in the refrigerator, although I haven't tried this method, so I can't guarantee the same results.
To sum up, while more research is essential to fully map out the effects of hibiscus tea on blood pressure and overall health, the existing evidence paints a promising picture. Rich in antioxidants, supportive of heart and liver health, and potentially beneficial for blood pressure and weight management, hibiscus tea is more than just a pleasant beverage. It's a sip towards better health. However, remember, the key to reaping these benefits is integration into a balanced diet and a wholesome lifestyle.
Important considerations. It is not a replacement for medication. If you have high blood pressure and take medication, hibiscus tea shouldn't replace it. It can be a complementary approach. Hibiscus tea might interact with blood pressure medications, diuretics, and drugs affecting estrogen levels. Always consult your doctor before consuming it if you're on medication. Limited long-term data. Most studies on hibiscus tea and blood pressure are short-term. We need more research to understand its long-term effects and safety. Remember, talk to your doctor before trying hibiscus tea, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or take medications. It's best to approach high blood pressure with a comprehensive strategy that combines healthy lifestyle changes with proper medical advice. Conclusion. While more research is needed to fully understand the effects of hibiscus tea on blood pressure and overall health, current evidence suggests that it may offer several health benefits, including the potential to lower blood pressure, support heart health, aid in weight management, and provide antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. However, it's essential to incorporate hibiscus tea as part of a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle for maximum benefit.
So next time you're pondering over a calming, healthful drink, why not consider hibiscus tea? It just might be the splash of color your health routine needs.
Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video informative and that it inspires you to incorporate hibiscus tea into your daily routine. Remember, maintaining a healthy lifestyle, including a balanced diet and regular exercise, is key to managing blood pressure and overall well-being. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and advice. Until next time, stay healthy.